Alrighty, let's go ahead and get started with this shit. So, immediately, what catches my eye, first of all, market opens in 10 minutes. We had PPI news data today, but it didn't cause very much of a drastic movement. So with that in mind, I'm completely willing to trade today. We had CPI news data yesterday, so no trades. I uploaded the trade recap that I took not from yesterday, but the day prior, and uploaded that. Immediately what I'm seeing is we have a, what is this, 20, damn, 10. I wanted to say it was a high time frame SMT, but it's not. Which is kind of leading me to think that we could potentially want to go lower here on the S&P to take out these lows, even though we already swept this out. But I'm going off recency bias of us taking out these London highs. So anyways, let's just talk it out. Let's walk it and talk it out. So yesterday from CPI news data, we had big moves down. We took out this draw on liquidity, all of this low resistance liquidity essentially, including these lows. So on NASDAQ, I don't really see the need for us to go any lower because we took out these 4-hour lows, these 4-hour lows, these 4-hour lows. It would make sense for us to continue this uptrend now. It wouldn't make sense for us to want to come down and take out these lows unless we want a higher time frame retrace, which in my eyes just probably won't happen until we get up a little bit higher. This looks like a pretty healthy daily retrace down underneath these lows, okay? Because if we wanted to go any lower, then that would mean that we're having a weekly retrace and we would have to break daily structure. Something that I'm not necessarily concerned about, but something that I want to take note of is the fact that the S&P 500 came down, took out these lows, but we failed to take out these lows. And this is all in line with this low resistance liquidity that we have right here. So I'm seeing this and I'm thinking, okay, we came down, we took out Asian session lows, we're getting a move up here, and market opens in 7 minutes. We're getting a move up here pretty much right when New York opened, or pre-market opens at 8. So this was London session. We have London high, Asian session high, Asian low. London session opens, immediately comes down and manipulates Asian session low. And then we get a slight move up, and we come back down, we manipulate these lows, and then boom, right around this time, this is pretty much a New York manipulation into a reversal. If we look at NASDAQ, oh wow. NASDAQ, we have a similar situation here. We have Asia high, London high, Asia low, London opens, we immediately come down, manipulate Asia low. We get the manipulation and then reversal during London session, but then come New York pre-market open, we actually come back down and we manipulate these lows again during London session, and now we're getting a New York manipulation pretty much right when pre-market opens, New York manipulation, reversal. But the problem is, we're already at a draw on liquidity. We're already at like a take profit point, which is these London session highs here on both indexes. So that brings us to the next thing where, hey, are we going to react off these London session highs and want to go down to target these relative equal lows, where on the S&P we have London lows, the last high time frame low of this low resistance liquidity, and these 5-minute lows? Or are we just going to continue higher to take out, we already took out London highs, but to take out all of this low resistance liquidity? I'm thinking that we probably move higher. That's kind of how I'm feeling, especially with seeing how this liquidity is drawn out. We have relative equal high, low resistance draw, high time frame draw on liquidity with the Asian session high, low resistance high. This low resistance high was already taken out. I would like to see a low time frame form of manipulation and then see us go up towards these other draws here. So it looks like we took out this draw as well. So for NASDAQ, it would be the Asian highs, and then these three highs are super juicy. PPI news data came out bullish. What happened yesterday was CPI came out bullish, and then it caused the market to go up. And then Trump made an announcement at 11 something, like 11:08 or something, and it caused, I think it was the tariff news, again, more tariff news. It caused the market to just fucking tank. So today's going to be pretty interesting with what we'll get. We're just resting above these hourly highs right now. This setup here this is some low resistance liquidity. See, that's my issue. I'm seeing this and I'm like, man, this really could go either way because we have more low resistance liquidity to the upside here. We have more that we could want to go up and take out. But on the flip side, we also just came up and took out low resistance liquidity that we could react off of. And unfortunately for us, we also have low resistance liquidity to the downside that we very well could take out off of a reaction off of this. So it's going to be an interesting day, that's for sure. We're kind of consolidating going into market open on both these indexes. I need to stay aware of that because I do not want to be entering in a whole bunch of chop. I do not want to be entering in slow forming price action. We had high impact news yesterday. We had high impact news today that caused the market to move. Oh, something else that we should mark out. These are data highs and these are data lows. So data highs and lows are good draws on liquidity as well. So we'll go ahead and mark those out. This is pretty much already marked. Yeah, dude, I don't know. There's a decent amount of draws on liquidity to the downside, dude. Let's see. This is midnight open. Yeah, dude. London manipulated Asian lows and high time frame lows, and we're starting to get a reversal. And New York manipulated and we got a reversal. Like, regardless of if this is London manipulation reversal or New York manipulation reversal, it's kind of favoring the upside, but also we have all of these draws to the downside. I want to kind of commit to a bias before we get it any deeper into market, or market opens in 30 seconds, but I want to say that we're going to go lower. Let me see where the 79% extension is on this. Yeah, bro, we got healthy room. I want to say we go lower, dude. It's just... took these lows out. Market opens in 2 seconds. I don't really see us... if we want... I don't know. Let's see how market opens. So we came down, we manipulated these 5-minute lows right now. We didn't manipulate them on ES. We're ripping. That's already a SMT divergence. Bullish confluence to the upside. Do we just press long? Wow, this is crazy. This candlestick is crazy. Holy shit, dude. Okay, so we just pushed above data highs on NASDAQ. Haven't quite gotten there on ES. Oh, wow. That's juicy. Maybe a little SMT divergence off the open. NASDAQ took out data highs. ES didn't take out data highs. We could be making an SMT divergence off of that. It's looking juicy. Do we just press short? Do we just fucking press short? Do we just fucking do it? Should we just full port this bitch? Broke structure. Retrace into equilibrium. Let's do it, dude. Let's press short. Let's just short it, dude. Let's short it. I need to make $1 billion today, by the way. I'm down fucking $67,000. $67,000 on the week, so we need to make everything back today. We need to make everything back. Equal lows. I want to short this bitch like right now, bro. Data lows right here. We're making an SMT off of open, off of a high time frame, off of a good draw on liquidity. I'll be a little bit more patient, but right now it's looking pretty good, bro. We swept out data highs. We haven't broke 1 minute structure yet though. If we do, I'll enter with like half risk. We'll go half risk on this. Put these stop losses in play. Fuck yeah, dude. See, we got to get a little bit of aggro. We got to get a little bit aggro with this. Hold on. So many things that I'm trying to do. Let's see what happens here. This could either end horribly or be great. It's looking like it's going to end horribly. All right, bro. It's been a bad trading week, bros. Do we just log off? ES swept out these 5-minute lows here, which is just a super fucking bullish confluence. Since ES swept out these lows and we're getting breaks to the upside now, since ES manipulated these 5-minute lows, we get a 5-minute break to the upside, we gotta be bullish. NASDAQ filled this gap. ES missed it. Oh man, that fucking loss sucks, dude. We're gonna get it back on some fucking longs though. I'm pissed, bro. We're either going to end this week at break even or down like $100,000. Still no bullish closure. If we get a good bullish candle, then I'll be ready to fucking rock just straight to these highs and call it a fucking day. I'll probably just have this as my final take profit because all of this is technically low resistance liquidity. Yeah, so if we close bullish, get me in that bitch and I'm fucking riding this shit all the way up here and we're just gonna make all of our money back. Just like that. Simple as that, dude. Simple as that. That's how we're gonna do it. I'm furious right now. I'm furious. Okay. All right, I'm going to go ahead and enter here. I swear to God, if this shit just turns around. Oh my God. Got filled like in the middle of this wick. Let's see, we have Asian highs and then these low resistance highs. ES is pretty much at data highs now. Did we get above it? No, equal highs. That makes me even more bullish. I went fucking hefty on this risk play, bros. So if this one doesn't play out, like literally you won't see me for like a while, bro. There's no way ES makes equal highs with data highs and doesn't want to sweep them out. Okay, we swept out these lows and we got a bullish closure out of that. If we can get like just a little bit higher above these highs, then I'll be comfortable moving my stop loss up a little bit just so I can minimize the risk that I put on. Can't believe I took those dumbass shorts, bro. It's okay. We're gonna make it all back on this and some. We're gonna make everything back. We're literally going to wipe out all of our weekly losses from this trade. We're gonna wipe it out. ES just needs to take these guys out. Getting towards those Asian highs on NASDAQ. Okay. So ES, we push through these highs right here. We have the next low resistance draw on liquidity right here. We're so fucking close to Asian session highs. I feel like there's just no way that we don't take them out. And if we take these out, then I would like to believe that we're going to take these out as well. I need a pee so bad. Need a pee. Keep an eye on this shit. ES took out these highs. Great. Now ES is the leading index. Jeez, dude. Come on. I can never pick the right one. I can never do anything right nowadays. And then, of course, Boogie's going to come in here and ask for pets. Boogie, we might not have a home. We literally might not have a home in a couple days, and you're asking for pets? Are you kidding me, dude? Boogie, we're going to be homeless. I know that's something you probably don't want to hear right now, but it's true. I do not like this, bro. Alright. No fucking way if we get saved by this shit. This could be the golden buzzer. Please be the golden buzzer. Please be the golden buzzer. Okay, it's looking good. Please be the golden buzzer. We hit the order block. 5-minute order block. Fuck me. Golden buzzer. Golden buzzer, please be the golden buzzer. Please be the golden buzzer. Please be the golden buzzer. Please be the golden buzzer, bro. Yes. Golden buzzer. Go. No. Go. I can't believe I took those shorts, bro. Feeling a little bit better. Break structure the upside. Okay, nope, we're not. Golden buzzer. That is not looking like a golden buzzer, bro. Break that shit. Break it. Oh my gosh. You're so annoying. It has been a rough one, bros. Oh, man. Imagine if I get stopped out and then price just goes to hit take profits. There's no fucking way I just did that. There's no fucking way. There's no fucking way. I haven't taken profits yet. We're gonna hit these. This will be the most crazy trading day if I hit this. I'm not closing anything until we take these highs out. If I hit this, this will be the most crazy fucking trading day. Oh my god, we're right there. Oh, wow. I'm done. Done for the day. I don't even know if I should post this on YouTube. I made $137,000 today. I don't even know if I should post this on YouTube. I'm up $61,000 in the week now. This was a... I don't even know what I should do about this. I made $137K. 2 losses, 1 win. And we're up 61K on the week. I don't know. The reason why I'm saying I don't know if I want to post this on YouTube is because, like, realistically, this was, I don't want to say, I mean, look, I don't give a fuck. I'm going to post this to YouTube. I made money today. I know a lot of people are going to criticize the way that I traded today. Quite frankly, I don't really care because this is my job. I do this shit every single day. So if you got something to say about how I traded today, by all means, let it fucking fly. I still made money, and we're up on the week now. We're up $61,000 on the week, and I made $137,000 today. Don't believe me? Look at the Instagram story, and yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. This was a whirlwind trading day today. Jeez. Let's definitely not risk nearly as much as we did today tomorrow. So yeah. Or here, matter of fact, I'm going to show you guys this right now just because I know you guys are fucking crazy. Here, let's see if I can do this without fully fucking... Here, this is what I'll do. I'll screenshot this shit and then... There we go. Now we're talking. Right, so... There you go. Can you guys... Fuck. I don't know why it doesn't... I give up, dude. But whatever. Made $137,000. Today, that was a fucking crazy one, dude. And now we're up 61K on the week. So, yeah, we're going to call it a day there. Look, man. Today was wild, fucking ridiculous trading day. Took 2 losses. The first loss, I definitely shouldn't have taken. The second loss, I'm fine with the way that I lost. And I'm very fine with the way that I came back from it. The first loss was stupid, though. I shouldn't have taken that trade. I don't know what I was thinking. This has been a crazy trading week. Just literally went like, yeah, I was 0 for 4, and then this one win made back every single loss. So, yeah, dude, there was a lot of risk at play here today. But, hey, man, sometimes you gotta risk big to be able to win big and to be able to get yourself out of these holes. So, that being said, I appreciate you guys. See you guys tomorrow for another trading day. Today was insane.